The DR error code in a Bosch dryer indicates a drainage problem. This issue can be caused by a clogged drain pump, a faulty drain pump, or a clogged duct. To fix the error, start by cleaning the drain pump. Unplug the dryer, locate the rear panel, and unlatch it to access the internal components. Find the condensate tray near the condenser. Pull it out, and disassemble the pump to clean it thoroughly with a small brush, removing any lint, debris, or obstructions. Next, test the drain pump for malfunctions and replace it if necessary. Reattach the pump to the hose, ensuring it is securely fastened. Then plug the dryer back in and run a test cycle to check if the error persists. Additionally, clean the duct by detaching it from the wall or vent pipe, inspecting it for blockages, and using a vacuum or long flexible brush to remove any obstructions. Reattach the duct, ensuring it is securely fastened, and run a test cycle to confirm if the error is resolved. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the DR error code in your Bosch dryer.